the shopping. I'm all independent, I put down deposits.
Hey guys, good day. It's your girl Joy Itohan, and in today's video guys, we have this hair install from Wiggins. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I love this box so much. Upon opening this box guys, we have this beautiful wig. It's the 7x4 closure wig. It's already been pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached. Oh my god, I'll show you that later. And in the box guys, we have some goodies. We have this edge brush that you can use to style your edges, and we also have this beautiful lashes. Guys, I don't use lashes, but this one I'm considering. And we have this HD lace for people that love to do the bald cap method. We have this customized melting band over here, and also this silk bag that you can use to store your wig when not in use. Okay, so guys, let's just open up this wig and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so guys, here is this gorgeous wig, and this is the 7x4 closure wig, and as you can see guys, it is pre-cut already, pre-styled, pre-bleached. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I am here for wear and go wigs this 2024. As you can see guys, this wig is already pre-styled. You don't need to stress yourself about that. And guys, let's just take a look at the construction of this wig. As you can see, this wig has an amazing lace. It is HD, already styled, already bleached. It came with an adjustable strap, and it's also detachable with 3 wig combs inside for extra security. Okay, so now I'm just going to prep my hair. I have my edges already slicked back. Okay, and I'm just going to wear this wig cap to just protect everything. I love to use this color because it's already my shade. Okay, no need to apply foundation on that. And now we're just going to wear this wig on. Okay, so guys, this is a 7x4 closure wig, and I can say this is like the best thing for your money. If you know you're not really a fan of full frontals, which can be quite annoying sometimes, I will choose 7x4 anytime, any day, because it gives you more room to style your wig however you want to. Okay, so now I'm just going to just melt the lace down a bit using my mousse. Okay, and now I'm just going to apply that on my edge brush and then apply that all over the lace. Okay, so guys, let's just do a bit of styling on this wig. I feel the first time you get this wig, you really don't need to style. Like, you can get away with that, but as you wear this wig often, you would need to do a bit of styling. So I'm just going to just tame down, you know, the fly little hairs that might be on this closure wig. I'm just going to tame that down and use the hot comb, and then just apply this serum. I love to just do this to just give the wig a bit of shine. And guys, take a look at the bounce on this wig. I am loving the volume, I am loving the shine, I am loving the style, I am loving everything, and this wig is giving everything. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this white tooth comb to just brush out the coils a bit. Don't be too scared to brush this wig, because guys, the volume is given. Okay, so guys, right now I'm just going to just use my powder to just define the center part a bit, and then remove this melting band. I love the lace so much guys. This lace, it's beautiful. I love the 7x4 closure. And then to just conceal the lace a bit more, you would need should I say, a contour powder. Just get a powder that is darker a bit to just, you know, conceal that.
is wonderful.
OMG, guys, that beauty was just a lot to take a look at. Okay, so now let's just do the side part. I love the side part so much. You can use your should I say your air wax to just wax that down so that the hair does not go around. Just try to do this, this swoop on the side. It's very, very easy. You guys saw it didn't even take more than a second to do that. Then I'm just going to use my hot comb to just press down that, that air wax, just so it molds the hair very well. And guys, that is really it. Okay, I'm just going to comb the hair once more, and that is it, guys. Like, this hair is so low maintenance. Like, you don't need to be an expert to customize this hair. I am so in love. I think this side part is starting to be like my new love because it frames my face so much. And to just define the part well, you can use your foundation, your concealer, or your powder to just, define that side part, and guys, you're good to go. I am loving this hair from Wiggins so much. As I said earlier, this is the 7x4 HD lace. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. You don't need to do any other thing, guys. And I have all the links to this hair in the description box. Go check it out. Go purchase one for yourself. I'm saying it, guys. When it comes to wig, we are only wearing wear and go wigs this 2024, okay? And until my next video, guys, see you guys next time. Bye.